As y'all know, I am a busy mom and I do not have 2 hours every couple weeks to go and sit in the nail salon, so let's do some dip nails at home. I'm gonna be using my dip kit from Savaland. And as y'all know, I am so excited. It's December. There are so many different color combinations that I want to do. And for today, we are going to do like a winter wonderland type of nail. So basically, I'm going to be using white as my base coat. And then as my top coat, I'm going to be using this gorgeous white glitter. I think it's going to look amazing. So let's do it. As always, starting off with my base layer. So I think I'm going to do 2 layers of the plain white and then 1 layer of the glitter on top of that. So I'm going to start with a nice thin layer of my base. Oop. And then I'm going to dip it right into my plain white, shake off the excess, and then I'm going to continue going and doing the rest of them. Now that I have 1 layer down, I'm going to go ahead and take the little brush that comes with the kit and just brush off any of the excess that is on my nail. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 more coat of the plain white. But also, look at this. Like, I feel like normally with white, you would have to do like multiple layers. Like, this already looks so good. So, all right, I'm gonna go do 1 more layer of the white, and then I'll show you guys before we do the sparkles. Now that I have 2 layers of the white, I'm going to go ahead and finish off with 1 coat of this white glitter polish. It literally looks like snow. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys this when I'm done. Now that I have all of my dip powder on, I'm gonna go ahead and add on the activator, which is number 2. And I'm going to put some of that on each of my nails. Now that I've added the activator to all my nails, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little buffing on top just to smooth out any imperfections. Oh, I think that's good. And now the final step, we're gonna go in with number 3, which is the top coat. And I like to add 2 coats. So 2 thin layers on each nail. I went ahead and added 2 coats of my top coat, and these are absolutely stunning. I don't know if it's picking up on the glitter. It's subtle, but so cute. And it's festive too, you know, like snowy winter wonderland. It only takes me about 20 minutes to do my nails, and they last about 2 weeks every single time, which in my experience is longer than when I get my nails done at the salon. So this kit was a TikTok find. I will link it right here for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys love it as much as I have.